Feeling overwhelmed by scheduling chaos? Let's simplify your life and show you how to effortlessly manage your availability in Redfin Agent Tools in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Redfin Agent Tools account. You'll usually find the login portal on the Redfin Agent intranet. Next, locate and click on your profile settings. This is usually found in the upper right-hand corner or on the left-hand navigation. Look for an icon that resembles a person or a gear. Now, find the availability or calendar settings section within your profile. Here, you'll see your current availability schedule. This is where the magic happens. To add or edit your availability, click on the specific day you want to adjust, then click the Edit or Add Availability button associated with that day. A pop-up window or form will appear. Use the start and end time pickers to define your available hours to block out specific times for appointments or personal commitments. Use the Add Block or similar function and select the dates and times you are unavailable. Once you've made your adjustments, be sure to click the Save or Update button to apply the changes to your schedule. You should see a confirmation message confirming that your availability has been updated. Review your calendar to ensure everything looks correct. And that's it. By regularly updating your availability in Redfin Agent Tools, you'll improve client communication, avoid scheduling conflicts, and ultimately reclaim control of your valuable time.